Donna Lake, 1847, in the Sierra Nevada. Our shouts hollow out caves in the blinding cold of the snow. The iced lake is still, the trees silent with winter. We call again. The fold of the dark hill cracks with ice. Our breaths freeze. Having crossed the groaning ice and rocks, and wept with cold, we doubt now that this is the spot where the hard winter caught the wagons and slept its blackest nightmare. In a way, we hope it is not. But suddenly a shadow moves and lengthens. Emerging from the snow is a woman, thin and streaked with blood. Her hollow mouth strengthens with distant recollection. Her bruised eyes grin. We watch others crawl from the snow in a slow dream. Our mouths open wide in horror, but do not scream.